Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to see who have viewed your TikTok profile. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So let's start the video. First of all, you will go to your TikTok application. So after opening your TikTok application, what you need to do is you will simply go to your profile. So at the top there are three horizontal lines, and after it there are two it's a shoe uh, option. So you will simply tap on the side of the three horizontal lines, and here is the profile views, that uh, how many people view your profile. So at the top there is a setting option. You will simply tap. You can also turn it off as well, the profile view history. So here at the green sign you will simply tap it, and this option will be removed, that you cannot see the profile views. So if you want to add it, you will simply tap on it, and this is the simple process of viewing the who has viewed your TikTok profile. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.